Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel Pilar Vlogs USA. For today's vlog is I am gonna do the 24 hours without cell phone. No cell phone, no cell phones allowed for me. So today is December 24th, 2020. It will Christmas Day tomorrow. It's a Christmas Noche Buena. It's Noche Buena tonight. In Philippines, we call it Noche Buena. So today, guys, I am gonna show you that it is already 10:03 a.m. December 24th, 2020. So that's the real time. And next is I am gonna turn off my phone. So no cell phone, no everything. So I'm gonna turn it off right now. So here it is turn off, restart, and emergency. I'm gonna choose the power off. I'm gonna power off. So my online social media friends, see you on Christmas Day. Power off. Good luck to me. Alright, so my phone is off. Next is I am gonna wrap up my phone with the wrapping gift, Christmas wrapping gift. Alright, so here I am. I am gonna wrap my cell phone. See you on Christmas Day. Alright, so I am done wrapping my cell phone. I'm gonna write in here, do not open until Christmas. Here it is. To tell you guys, I've been planning to do the 24 hours without cell phone, 24 hours no social media. It's been months and months and months ago that I really wanted to try to do this challenge because I've been using cell phone. Oh my gosh. You know guys, since I came here in the US 6 years ago, I was on my cell phone almost all the time, every day. So I've been scrolling my cell phone. There's no day that I did not scroll on my cell phone. I did not browse to my social media, to my Facebook, to my Instagram, Twitter, Messenger, YouTube, like that. So today finally it makes real that I have a 24 hours break time to my cell phone. So this is the perfect time for me to do this. And it is Noche Buena. Tomorrow is 25th. It's Christmas Day. I'm gonna talk to my online friends for tomorrow, like 10 a.m. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today without cell phone. Actually, there's a lot of things to do without cell phone, you know, the chores in the house, of course, the laundry, the washing dishes, the folding clothes, take care of the kids, and of course I'm gonna cook because it is 24th today. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. I am gonna cook the roasted beef. So this is perfect time for me to focus on my house chores, on my real world, a real world in reality, as in here, without in the social medias. Guys, I did not tell anyone that I am off on my cell phone for 24 hours. I did not tell my YouTube friends. I did not tell my family in Philippines. I did not tell anyone that I am not gonna use my cell phone, that I am off, that they cannot contact me for 24 hours. So that's the hard part also, especially it is Christmas, you know. But it is really a perfect time for me to do this. You know, magpa-miss din minsan. Pero this is for today, guys, ha? So, good luck to me. Good luck to us. Good luck to me doing this challenge. It's Christmas Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas to all of us. I'm just gonna greet you here. That Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Oh my goodness. Finally, it's gonna be 2021. I'm so excited for the new year. I hope everything will be okay next year, because the 2020, it's been rough to everybody. It's been rough to the people. It's been rough to the people in the whole world. So I really wish that 2021 will be fine. Oh Lord, please heal our land, heal the world, Lord. 2021. Thank you so much. I think it's time for me to start my day. I'm gonna show you guys that it's not gonna change, okay? It will not change. Do not open everything. You can compare until tomorrow that I did not change anything. I did not open this wrap. I did not open the cell phone. Everything, it will be the same until tomorrow. To tell you that I did not cheat on this challenge, alright? So good luck. See you tomorrow. I'm gonna put my cell phone inside the cabinet with the cans. I'm gonna put it up there. I'm gonna get that phone tomorrow when it's time for me to open it, to get it. Okay? Bye-bye, cell phone. Time check is 6:29 p.m. It's already dark at night tonight. And then my cooking is done. Yeah. And then it's done. Turn it off.
You like it? It's not salty?
Perfect. These are one of the best ones I've had.
Man.
Merry Christmas. Baby, it's Christmas now. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday, Jesus. Happy birthday. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Time check is 8:11 a.m. 2 hours to go. I'm surviving my 24 hours without cell phone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm gonna show you the hours. It's 8:12 a.m. Balik tayo sa higaan. Hindi na ako inaantok. I went to bed last night like 12 because I was waiting the 12 o'clock. Yeah, you know, because baby Jesus was born, so I waited the 12 o'clock midnight, and now is 8 a.m. So I was sleeping 8 hours. Wow, I like it. That's the best thing ever. I'm gonna wait for 2 hours to open my phone. Oh my gosh. Maybe a lot of notifications because it's Christmas Day today in America. In Philippines, it's 25 at night. Here in America, it's 25 in the morning. So later. I'm excited for the 2 hours to go. See you. Time check. It's already 10:08. It's time to go to the cabinet. it's time to open. Open. Ta-da! The phone is still there. And let's open it. And close it. Today is 25th. Let's go to the table to open it. So here is the phone and I'm gonna open it. Open. This is our present for the Christmas. Oh no! Open it, open. Open. Turn it on. Turn on the phone. Drop it. Wow, it's done. No more. It's on now. Guys, I am so happy that I survived the 24 hours without cell phone. Yay! Congratulations to me! Merry Christmas! As in super duper. I'm so happy that also my phone is back. At least in my 6 years here in America, I got a 24 hours break with my cell phone. I survived. I did it. Oh my gosh. And I miss my online friends too. My YouTube friends, my Facebook friends, messengers, Instagram, Twitter, everything in social media. I miss them. And I'm sure that I got a lot of notifications that I need to check because it's Christmas, you know, text like that. So I'm so happy that I got my phone back. So guys, Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for watching. Of course guys, if you wanna try this challenge, you can. It's so nice feeling, you know, you got a break from your phone, your eyes got rest, and then your mind got rest, your body got rest, you know. I got nice sleep, like 8 hours, I got it, and you know, it's best feeling ever. That no cell phone in 24 hours. It's so nice feeling. You can try it if you want. Yes, you do. You can do it. You can do it. I did it. I know you can too. Try it, okay? I encourage you to try 24 hours without cell phone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. There's more videos that I uploaded, so you can check some more challenges that I did in the past. And see you there. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.